Hello and welcome to You Again Yoga. I'm Jo and today I'm taking you through a 10-minute pick-me-up. Great to do whenever you need that boost of energy. So we're going to begin with our feet hip-width distance apart. Inhale, lift the arms up overhead. Give yourself a beautiful big stretch. Hold onto your left wrist with your right hand. Lift up tall. And as you exhale, side bend over. Pulling the fingertips over towards the right and at the same time driving your hips out towards the left. Breathe here. Feel the left side of the ribs up. One more breath. Inhale back to center. Welcome to the cat. Inhale, hold on to the right wrist with the left hand. Draw the body up long. Exhale, reach the fingertips over towards the left. Hips drive out towards the right. Breathe deep into that right side of your rib cage. One more breath here. Beautiful. Inhale back to center. Reach up long. As you exhale, draw the elbows out into a cactus shape, puff the chest up and give yourself a little bit of a back bend. So we're thinking of lifting the chest up towards the sky, squeezing the shoulder blades together, opening up through the heart space, energizing through your chest. Inhale to reach back up and exhale, bend the knees, fold all the way forward. So the feet remain hip-width distance apart, releasing the head down towards the earth. Bend generously through your knees. Rest your belly onto your thighs. Let the head go. Inhale, come to your flat back, whatever that looks like to you. The fingertips can hold onto the thighs for support. You can come to straight back here, or if you manage to get a straight back lower down, please do so. Exhale, release everything back down to the earth. Walk the palms out in front of you, walk the feet up, mind the cat behind you, and come into your full plank. So energizing through the center, strengthen the body. Push the hands down towards the earth, push the feet down towards the earth. Pull your belly button into your spine and hold, breathe here. If at any point you need to drop the knees down just to give yourself a little bit more release, please do so. One more breath here. As you inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, push back into your downward facing dog. Take your dog for a little bit of a walk. Stretching out the backs of the legs. You can shake the hips right and left, loosening up the body. Then find a bit of stillness, intending your heels to drive down towards the earth, your armpits down towards the earth, the neck relaxed, the legs long. Beautiful. The right leg lifts up towards the sky, giving yourself some stretch through the back of your left leg. As you exhale, draw the knee towards the chest and step on through. Foot comes between your palms. Inhale, push into the earth and rise up. Coming into your high lunge, your back knee can remain bent. The most important thing is to get the tailbone under, shoulders on top of your hips. Reach the fingertips up. Find some length in the body, energizing the body. As you exhale, cactus the arms once more, squeezing the shoulder blades together and looking gently up towards the sky. If balance is a bit tricky today, keep the gaze forward and find something to focus on. Keep feeling that chest lifting up towards the sky, the shoulder blades squeezing, opening up the heart space immediately energizes you. Inhale, reach the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale, drive the body forward so the legs remain exactly where they are. And we're just kissing the belly to the upper thigh. Reach the fingertips long behind you as if they're trying to draw down to your back leg. And reach the crown of the head in the opposite direction. Breathe. Feel the heat build in the body. Inhale, rise back up, push through the feet, come back into your high lunge. Palms come together at your heart space, and take the left elbow, cross it over your right thigh, and take your gentle twist. At any point you can drop the back knee down just for that little bit more support. Now lift the heart space up. Aim to get your palms in the center of your chest by gently rotating the chest open. Breathing deep, feeling the heat. Inhale, release the palms back down to the earth. Suck the right leg back up and step back into your downward facing dog. And again, you may take your dog for a little walk. Walking through the heels, maybe shaking the hips out right and left. Exhaling, drawing the armpits back down to the earth. Release the head. Release the heels down to the earth. Maybe you can straighten through the legs just a tiny bit more. Second side, left leg rises up towards the sky. Press the right heel into the earth. Feel the stretch down the back of the right leg. Exhale, draw the knee into the nose and step the left foot between your palms. Inhale to lift up towards the sky. Again, the back knee doesn't have to be straight. Tuck the tailbone under. Squeeze the rib cage together and give yourself that lift up towards the sky. Beautiful. As we exhale, cactus the elbows. Again, squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the chest up towards the sky. And if the balance is feeling good today, you can lift your gaze up towards the sky as well. Feel as if there's a beautiful beam of light in the center of the chest that is reaching further and further away from you, opening up through the heart space, energizing the body. Inhale to reach back up towards the sky. Exhale, tipping forward to make that beautiful diagonal line from crown of head to the back of the foot. Fingertips reaching towards the back foot, crown of the head reaching out long over the front foot. Belly gently kissing into that upper thigh. Breathe. Feel the power in the legs, feel the heat. Inhale to rise. Exhale, join the palms together at the heart space. Take your right elbow, cross it over your left leg, and give yourself a beautiful spinal twist. Again, the back knee can always come down to give you a little bit more support. Aiming to push the elbow into the knee and the knee back into the elbow to give yourself that beautiful rotation. Breathing deep. One more inhale. Inhale, reach the palms down either side of the foot. Give yourself a big squeeze of the thigh towards the chest and step the foot back into your downward facing dog. Again, take your dog for a final little walk. Beautiful. Press the heels down into the earth. Find that last little stretch in your downward dog. Hips reaching up to the sky. Hands and feet pushing down into the earth. Armpits down towards the feet. And slowly, step by step, walk the feet in towards your hands to come into your ragdoll fold. So your feet are hip width distance apart, your knees are generously bent, and release that upper body over the thighs. Just let everything hang, let all the tension fall out of the head. Then pushing the big toe, the little toe, and both sides of your heels into the earth, rolling up through the spine, one vertebrae at a time until the head comes up last. Take a few breaths here, feel the energy in your body, stabilize your breath. And we complete our class with 10 breaths of joy. They look a little bit like this. The feet come underneath the hips, soft, soft knees. We take 3 inhales, filling up a third of our lungs as we go. Inhaling, the arms come forward. Inhaling, the arms come out to the side. Your final inhale, you reach up to the sky, and as you exhale through the mouth, you let everything go over your thighs, arms swing behind. So we have 10 times. Are we ready? Feet planted into the ground, soft knees, shoulders released. Let's begin. Inhale, 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 exhale. Continue. This is a beautiful breath to energize the body. In my opinion, better than coffee. Two more. Last one. And let it go. Inhale, reach the fingertips back up towards the sky. Hold the breath in just for a couple of seconds and let everything go. Just stand for a couple of breaths in your stillness, feeling the energy in the body. Feel the breath flowing freely. I hope you feel beautifully energized and ready to move on with your day. Thank you so much for joining me.
If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.